I tried to go to art school and I failed because of grammar. And then I tried the other art school in Geneva and I failed because of grammar. Oh, here we go. So Papa said, well, be jeweler then. You'd like that. So I did a little stage of that, and I really enjoyed it. I had my own atelier, and my pastime, I would build little Morgan machines, and they were really attracting everybody. Just, what's that? You know, because today, you can't see how things are working anymore. You know, you open the bonnet of a car and where's the motor? So I try to show the motion, which creates an emotion. It's a bit like mechanical poetry, I would say.